Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify emails. First, navigate to the Shopify email app within your admin dashboard. This integrated tool allows you to create professional campaigns with ease. You can select from many pre-designed templates, offering a quick start. Remember to customize your sender name and a compelling subject line to capture attention. This initial setup is crucial for a successful email marketing strategy. Now, let's focus on designing your email's content. Shopify Email offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it simple to add text, captivating images, and product blocks. Maintain your brand's visual identity by using consistent colors and fonts. Crucially, include clear call-to-action buttons, guiding your customers to take the next step. A well-designed email can significantly boost engagement and conversions. Now that your Joy-Cons are connected, you're ready to dance. For traditional play, hold one Joy-Con in your right hand, ensuring a firm grip. The game tracks your movements through this controller, so mimic the on-screen coach as accurately as possible to earn high scores. An excellent alternative is using the free Just Dance controller app on your smartphone. This app transforms your phone into a motion controller, allowing you to simply hold your phone and dance along. Before hitting send, always review your email thoroughly. Use the preview function to see how it appears on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience. Send a test email to yourself and a colleague to catch any last-minute errors or formatting issues. Finally, schedule your email to be sent at an optimal time, perhaps when your audience is most active, for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.